Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a diamond painting video for you. Some days it's diamond painting, some days it's crochet, some days it's books. I do a lot of different things. So if you're new here, I hope you find something you enjoy and you come back and see more videos. And thank you to everybody who is returning. So who is this from? It is from Paintsomeway. First of all, thank you, Paintsomeway, for letting me pick out some things to show everybody. I think I have some wonderful things here to show you, some things you're really going to like. So let's get right to it. Okay, let's move this aside and let's start with the first one. Our first one is a floral. Very pretty floral. Has real fall feel to it with the oranges and the reds. It's just this cool tree with all these pretty flowers all over it. I think it's really pretty. 35 by 30. Very interesting size. That is not a common size. I don't see that one very often. It's probably going to be 30 by 25. Let's see. 29. Okay, 29 by 24. Interesting. Okay. So anyhow, there it is. It's super pretty. It has, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different types of drills. I love all the specials in here in this flower. There's a bunch over here. Each of these have some over here, over here. I think it's got a nice assortment of special drills. It's got 5 special drills. So let's get into it and show you what they are. As soon as we can open the package. Sometimes these packages are difficult. I'm going to guess we might have black resin drills there, or, acrylic drills, whatever they are. Maybe not, though. Let's see. Okay, so we have some orange rhinestones, a blue, a darker blue, lemony color. Okay, so this is appearing to be black. They're not the normal black that we get. These have the silver on the back, so I don't know. Interesting. I have to look at those closer to see if maybe they're actually rhinestone or if they're, I don't know. It's hard to tell in the back. Another orange, a very beautiful magenta, and a light pink. Then we have some gold marquise, some blue marquise, some blue round faceted, some gold balls, and the beautiful iridescent, I love these, iridescent red marquee. Love those. So pretty. Look at the greens and the yellows coming through. So pretty. Love it. So I thought this one was unique. And that's why I picked it out, of course. It's just a unique item. The tree and all the pretty colors and the pretty flowers coming out of the tree. I thought it was pretty cool. So that's our first one. Alrighty. Number 2 coming up. Number 2 is a gnome. I had to do a gnome, right? I had to do a gnome. He is very, very cute with all of his flowers. Oh, look, he has a pencil in his hand. I don't know what he has a pencil for. He's taking notes on his flowers he's growing. And that's what I do. Anyhow, love his hat. Love the hat with the big flower in the center. I thought that one was just really pretty. Very spring, summery vibe. A lot of floral stuff going on here. This has 11 different drills. So let's see what they are. This is a 30 by 30 size. And that is that's the most common one I get anymore. 30 by 40s, 30 by 30s. All right, here we go. What do we have? We have some clear rhinestones, some like golden color, and then an orangey color, some bright green, a couple different shades of pinks, and a light blue. Oh, look, haven't gotten any of these in a long time. Here are our slivers. There aren't very many. I'll look on the canvas. I can see a couple spots right now where they will go. Not too bad. Some gold balls, pink teardrops, and a darker pink teardrop. Love that. All right, I'll show you. The little slivers, they usually use them to make flowers. So right down here, we get a few. here and here, here, here and here. So there's not a ton. I mean, that's manageable. If they put a whole bunch on there, then it gets a little overwhelming. But a few is just fine, and they have a purpose. So there we go. Okay, folks. So this one is an oopsie. Yeah, I am trying to collect all the different chickens. There are 4. And this one, apparently, I picked the wrong one. So you've already seen this one, but I'll show it to you again. This will go directly into my giveaway pile. Bless you. That was the dog. Again, what? I'm getting ready to do my membership giveaway. So this is going to go right in there. Yes, it is going to go right in there. All right, let's show you these drills real quick. There are 11. Someone is going to be lucky and get one of these cute chickens. Maybe I'll get my life together and I'll manage to get the other 2. They're so similar, it's hard to differentiate. Got a clear, an orange, a green, a bunch of black, a magenta. I loved this about this one. The iridescent snowflakes. We got some white pearls, blue pearls, and these beautiful, beautiful, like the clear blue teardrops. Love it. So, lucky somebody. This is going right into the giveaway. I'll just actually move it right over there because that's coming up next. All right, what do we have that comes in a box? Good things come in boxes. Yes, they do. I always love to get these. Oh, yeah. This one's really pretty. Okay. So, here's our toolkit. Here's our piece of box. So, there's a chain in here. This is a hanging item. All right. Here's our drills. Oh, love that. They came pre-bagged. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's one-sided. That's a little disappointing, but the front is beautiful. Look at it. It is a lighthouse. It's a stained glass style with all of the different sections you can see. So it's stained glass style. It's a lighthouse in the water, or, well, it looks like it's in the water. It's probably actually on that rock, supposedly, but and then look at all the pretty flowers all the way around it. It looks really, really pretty on the website. This does not do it justice at all. Like I said, it is only one-sided. There is nothing printed on the back. There is a film on the back still. I don't think it's printed on the back. I mean, because I can see all the symbols right through it. So I think it's just clear. This is not easy to do with no nails, like when you've just cut your fingernails, which I just did. Come on. Come on. I want to see what the back looks like, actually. It's coming. Hang on. Got to get a little start here. So, yeah, it's just clear. I mean, you'll be able to see the backs of the drills and stuff, but I wish it was printed. The ones that are printed on the back are so super pretty, but I couldn't resist that one because it is just gorgeous. I want that one hanging in my house. All right, let's look at our drills and see what we get. I saw some really pretty things in here. Let me show you some of the pretty things. I haven't seen them all, of course. All right, here we go. A light green. Oh, these were in order even. Oh, look at throwing them around. That's an olive green. A blue, and another blue, and another blue. All right. And then we get another green. Then we get like a brownish color. This is a very, very pale pink. Hard to see, but it's very pale pink. Another blue, and another blue. I love that color. That's like a teal. Love that. Another blue, and another teal. And another like very, very faint pink. All right, here's our special drills. So we have some gold balls. These are pretty cool. Look at those. Those are big. They're like a yellowy teardrop. That's going to go in those flowers, right? And we have a small one. That's really pretty too. And that's for the small flowers. So there we have it, folks. That's what we get. I love this one. It really, really looks really pretty on the website. So I couldn't resist it. Anyhow, so that's what we got, folks. That's what I have for you today from Paintsomeway. So we have our beautiful lighthouse. We have the gnome. We have the fun tree. Oh, and of course we have the duplicated chicken. The duplicated chicken. What can I say? I will get them all eventually. It's just, it's hard to decipher between them when you're ordering them. Anyhow, don't make my mistakes. I will link these all below so you can find them easily. And when you find the chicken, make sure you pick the chicken you want. There's 4 of them. Pick the one you like. They're all cute. You can't go wrong, honestly. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. I need to go do that next video. And you might want to watch the video that's coming up at the end here. There's always a video tagged at the end. Might be one you haven't seen yet. Might be something you want to check out. Thank you for being here and watching the videos and supporting my channel. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.